Welcome back to day 3 of the 30 days of Clawhammer Banjo. If you're now somewhat comfortable with the double thumb technique on each string, then today we're going to learn a new rhythmic pattern. Here's what this pattern sounds like. It's got a few different names, but the most common is a piece of musical onomatopoeia, Bum-Ditty. Though he didn't invent the technique, the name seems to have come from the late great Pete Seeger. And the rhythm is in the name, Bum-Ditty. So here's how it's played. Start by striking the first string. We'll follow that by striking the first string again, followed by the 5th string. And this is the rhythm that we're looking for. Now try applying this to other strings as well. The Bum-Ditty is really just about the rhythm, so we can play it with single notes like this, but for our first tune, we're going to want to play it like this. It starts the same, striking the first string, then use your striking finger to swiftly strum across all the strings, then use your thumb to play the 5th string. Make sure the strum is in one quick motion, not playing each string individually in succession. Once you get comfortable with the first string, you can move on to the same pattern using the other strings as the first note. For now, focus on this version of the Bum-Ditty with the strum, as we'll use it in our first song. So start slowly at first, making intentional but relaxed movements, and try to get a good amount of volume. You don't have to play hard or muscle through the technique, but be careful that you're not being cautious or timid. You get better at the things that you do, so do the things that you want to get better at. Today's featured banjo player is Jake Blount. It's not easy to pin down Jake's music into just one genre, though he is an extremely accomplished banjo player and fiddle player in multiple old-time styles. So be sure to listen to more than just one of Jake's albums so you can hear some of the more traditional but also some of the more modern influences as well as his own innovations. I'll leave some links in the description where you can hear more of Jake's great music. Anyway, that's all for now. See you next time.